In the world of woodworking, curved structures are always a true test of craftsmanship. This project begins with preparing the base of a curved door frame. Each piece of wood is measured, cut, and joined with precision to ensure the frame maintains its strength while forming the perfect arc. Once the structure is complete, the real challenge begins: veneering the curved surface. Unlike flat panels, curves require extra care. The artisan applies adhesive evenly and carefully presses the veneer along the curve, smoothing it step by step to avoid gaps or imperfections. This stage not only demands skill but also patience, as every small detail will affect the final look. After the veneer is set, the surface is polished to enhance the natural wood grain, creating a finish that is both elegant and durable. The completed curved door frame is more than a functional element; it's a piece of art, combining practicality with beauty, and demonstrating how handcrafted techniques elevate ordinary materials into extraordinary design.